going to show you how to make a super speedy summer dessert using this, a pineapple, and this Tajin, which is a spice blend available in the Latin food section of your local grocery store. It's just chili, salt, and lime. We're going to grill this up with some chili powder. We're going to put a little bit of ice cream and some Tajin on it. It's going to be so absolutely delicious, and it takes like 5 minutes. So let's get started. And then flip them and char the other side to those beautiful grill marks.